Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. कैसे हैं आप सभी बेटा? I hope you all are fine and studying properly. Now your examinations are over, so now you have to prepare yourself for the next term. So let's study about the next term. Firstly, I should provide you the details. You can write down the date. Write down from here. So the date is 23/12/21. Class 11C. Subject psychology. So children, we have to do now the revisions as we are in the mode of revision only. So moving toward to the same chapter, human development, which belong to the topic of your term second. In this chapter, I am discussing with you different stages of human development, where I had discussed with you the prenatal stage, I discussed with you the infancy stage as well as the childhood stage. So today in this video, I am going to discuss with you the adolescent stage. Yes, children, adolescent stage. Adolescent stage is marked by a drastic change in a child's life. It is found to be very critical period. It is a period which comes between the childhood and adulthood. It is a period where the childhood stage is about to be end and a new journey a child is about to begin, which is the child will now become adolescence, teenage. And it is a stage which is child is about to enter in the new phase of life, which is being an adult. So before being an adult, the child is in the stage and the child is known to be the adolescents. हम उन्हें adolescents कहते हैं. They come under between the childhood and adulthood. These are those child which are not considered to be the children, जो जिन्हें हम बच्चा भी नहीं कहेंगे और बड़े भी नहीं कहेंगे. Understood? Okay. Now, it is a stage which begins from 11 years. So usually when you talk to the non-psychological field person, they will tell you that 11 is considered to be the child. 11 year is of child. 11 साल के बच्चा होता है, 12 साल के बच्चे होते हैं. But 11 year is not considered to be the childhood stage. 11 year they are known to be the teenage or the adolescence. So the important points which is related to this stage is, it is a stage which comes between, it is a stage which comes between childhood and adulthood. It is a stage which comes between childhood and adulthood. It is a stage which comes between, it is a stage it is a stage which comes between, it is a stage which comes between childhood and adulthood. It is a period which begins from, it is a period which begins from 11 years. Okay? And it is a period of, you can say that it is a period of 11 to 18 years, or not 18, 18 is considered to be the adult, so it is a period of 11 to 17 years. Okay? Note down these specific points. Note down the specific points. Now, if you have noted down, move to the further. Now, in adolescent stage also, just like the other stage of human development, just like the childhood stage, infancy stage, we read about some of the processes of human development like physical development, cognitive development, socio-emotional development, moral development. The same you have to study here also. What are the different processes of development during adolescent stage? So please note down these things. Firstly, we will study about physical development. What come under the physical development? What are the things which come under the physical development? So in the adolescent stage, physical development. Okay. So obviously when we are talking about the physical development, so tremendous changes take place in the physical body of the child during adolescence period as they enter into the 11 years. Okay. Like there is some kind of separate development in boys and girls. Like in boys, what are the changes? Increase in height, no doubt. इंक्रीज इन हाइट, ट्रेमेंडस इंक्रीज इन हाइट होता है एडोलसेंस में, इंक्रीज इन हाइट और वेट, वेट में भी इंक्रीज, वेट में भी चेंज आते हैं, मीन्स वेट, हाइट तो इंक्रीज होगा बट जरूरी नहीं कि इंक्रीज इन वेट, you can write down here. So first is increase in height, second changes in weight, changes in weight or body proportion, changes in weight or body proportion. This can be done, this can be happen. चेंजेस इन वेट और बॉडी प्रपोर्शन, जैसे कि क्या होता है कि इन एडोलसेंस अदर, आई कांट से ओनली इंक्रीज इन वेट, ऐसा नहीं, डिक्रीज भी होते हैं वेट में, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज दोनों हो सकते हैं. सो चेंजेस वाज देयर, चेंजेस इन द बॉडी प्रोपोर्शन एंड द रेशियो ऑफ द बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर, सो दिस कैन बी हैपन. These all I am talking about boys right now. Okay, next, हार्डनिंग ऑफ वॉइस, आवाज़ भारी हो जाती है, जिसे हम बोलते हैं आवाज़, चेंज इन वॉइस और हार्डनिंग ऑफ वॉइस, वॉइस में चेंज आ जाता है या वॉइस और भारी हो जाती है इन वॉइस. ठीक है, ग्रोथ ऑफ हेयर्स, ठीक है, हेयर्स इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, हेयर्स का ग्रोथ होता है इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. ठीक है, बॉयज में बियर्ड आने लगते हैं, बियर्ड, मुस्टैच, ठीक है, बियर्ड, मुस्टैच, ग्रोथ इन हेयर, सो ये सब कुछ चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, इंक्रीज इन हाइट, चेंजेस इन वेट और बॉडी प्रोपोर्शन. ठीक है, हार्डनिंग ऑफ वॉइस, एंड बॉयज़ की बात हो रही है. ठीक है, फिजिकली दे गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर, ओके, हैविंग अ मसल्स, मस्कुलेचर्स, ये सब आते हैं. मसल्स डेवलपमेंट यू कैन से, ओके, मसल्स डेवलपमेंट, ओके. Okay, so these are some of the things: increase in height, changes in weight, body proportion, hardening of voice, beard, mustache development, muscles development, growth of hair, changes in hormones, a different kind of hormones which bring change in the mood and the temperament of the child. Okay, like the child will become more aggressive or mood swings, so anything can be happen. Now let's discuss about the girls. Now, what are the physical development which take place during the girl? In girls also increase in height, but before the puberty. If the puberty started, so height will not going to be increased. So increase in height before menstruation, yeah, before puberty begin. Okay, understood? Understood, children? Increase in height before puberty begin. उसके बाद slowly decline नहीं कह सकते हैं, stop. Okay, decline नहीं होगा. As the puberty begin, there is a stop in height, in growth of the height. Stop in growth of the height. ठीक है, increase in height. In girls also there is a rapid increase in height, but if their puberty started, okay, if their puberty begin, so there will be the stop in the height. Okay, next part. In girls also you will definitely found changes in the weight. Changes in weight. Either they gain weight or they lost the weight. So changes in weight or body proportion, or structure. ठीक है, changes in weight. In girls also you find changes in weight or body proportion or structure. Now in girls you didn't find the hardening of voice. Voice तो नहीं ऐसी होती है, and but there is a growth of hair in different parts of the body. Growth of hair. ठीक है. In girls also hormonal changes take place which bring some kind of mood swings in them also. Okay. Then puberty, menstruation period started. Menstruation begin during adolescence. You can say that in girls when the girls enter into the adolescent stage, their menstruation period will start. Okay, their menstruation period started. And when the menstruation will get over, that period is known as menopause. It is known as menopause. It comes around the late adulthood period. Okay, late adulthood तक में आता है और middle adulthood में भी आ जाता है, depend on the situation and depend on the person. ठीक है. So these are the some points which are related to the physical development. Okay, these are the points which are related to the physical development during adolescence. Okay, the changes, the physical development of the changes which come in the boys and in girls when they enter into the adolescence period. Okay, I hope you all have written down. Now we should move toward to the next part of the development. Before understanding the part of the development, there are some of the major concerns during this adolescence period. Some major concern. कुछ मेजर कंसर्न होते हैं एडोलसेंस पीरियड में. क्या है मेजर कंसर्न? मीन्स the major point, the major highlighting point which we have to take care of, we have to focus on. So there are some major concerns, like the three major concerns which is given in your book and highlighted is, the one is delinquency, second is substance abuse, and third is eating disorder. First is delinquency, second is substance abuse, third is eating disorder. Is it clear? Please note down these 3 points. Okay, so delinquency is related to the crime. Okay, when the child commit any crime, so it is known as child delinquency. It is known by the name child delinquency. Okay, it is known as child delinquency. So these are the three major concerns which is found during adolescence. Like delinquency, it is very common among when the child enter into the adolescence period. So it become very common that they commit the crime, they move toward to the wrong direction, and they do such kind of thing which is not very good for them. Okay, so they become there is a chances of becoming the delinquents. The usually the child when commit the usually जैसे adults अगर कोई crime करते हैं तो we call them criminals, but अगर बच्चा कोई crime कर रहा है, the child is doing the crime, so we call them delinquents. Okay, child delinquents or delinquents only. ठीक है, तो ये these are some of the things which जिसके chances हैं. Then second major concern during adolescence is the substance abuse, which is very important. Substance, why I am talking about substance abuse important, because peer group influence बहुत होता है, and under the peer pressure they do such kind of things. Due to the peer pressure they do such kind of things. What such kind of things they do under the peer pressure? They take the substance and they become addictive of it. Sometimes they do the smoking, okay, take the alcohols, okay. So all these things they will do under the peer pressure, or you can say that under the influence of mass media which they show on the television, on their mobile. So under that some kind of influence they start taking the substance and they become addictive of it and dependent on it. So ये एक major concern है. And the third major concern which is very prominent among the adolescents is eating disorder. Yes children, eating habits थोड़े disturb हो जाते हैं. ये देखा गया कि adolescents most of the time consume the junk foods which is unhealthy for their health and have a very serious effect on their health. The three kind of eating disorder are found to be highlighted. The one is anorexia nervosa, another is bulimia nervosa, and third is binge eating. So basically these three kind of eating disorder are found to be more noticed. Anorexia nervosa, in which the person consume less food. Okay, the child want to maintain their figure and shape and they want to maintain their body, so they consume less food so that they look good. Okay, bulimia, they eat more than their appetite, more than their capacity. Bulimia nervosa, they eat lot of food and sometimes they vomit also, but they doesn't have a control on eating and they doesn't stop eating. So this is also one of the eating disorder which is of major concern, bulimia nervosa, which may ultimately lead to so many kind of problem during adolescence. I think you might have heard about the obesity problem, which is now becoming very prominent among the adolescents. Okay, and the last is the binge eating. Binge eating is almost related to the bulimia, but the difference is that in binge eating they constantly eat something, they never stop, they never break, and it is something is known to be the out of control eating. Out of control eat karte, you always find some kind of food in their mouth every time. So that is known as binge eating. So these are some of the major concerns of the adolescents. So today in this video children, I discuss with you what are the physical development that take place during adolescence and what are the major concerns which we have to look toward during the adolescence period, as that is why it is found to be very critical period and delicate period which we have to carefully handle in order to develop as an healthy adult. Okay. Healthy means both physically as well as mentally secure. Okay, so I hope you understand whatever I had discussed with you in this video. If you find any doubt after watching the video, you will discuss with me in the classroom. Okay children, thank you so much.